Hello and welcome students. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to create a simple calculator in Visual Basic Express Edition 2010. So without further ado, let's start the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. So first of all, let us open Microsoft Visual Studio. Start button, all programs, and look for Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Express Edition. Okay, and just below that, Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express. Right? So this you have to click. So I'm doing the same here. Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 Express and Visual Basic. So your window will be open in a while. It will take a little time to launch the program. Yeah, so the welcome window has been appeared here. So you can see here new project. You have to click on new project, and after that select the first option, that is Windows Forms application. It is selected by default. Click on the OK button. Right, you can change the name of the project here. So I'll give calculator. Right, so here click the OK button and your project will be created. It is taking time, and yes, your default form 1 is here. You can change the width and height of the form. So let me set the width and the height. Okay, now the component that you need to create the simple calculator are two text boxes, two labels, a button, and a combo box. So let me take it from the toolbox. So here is the toolbox. You can see here is the toolbox. You have to click on this toolbox button and you can select the component from the list, right? So I'm gonna select, or I'm gonna check the text box. Okay, so click the text box and click here. Your first text box is now on the screen. So copy this, right click and then copy, and again paste it over here. So two text boxes, and we will require a combo box. So where is the combo box? Combo box is here. Just click once and take it here. Again click once. So this is your combo box. You can decrease the size. We don't require the combo box of this size. So I'm aligning the components. Right. So here now we want the button. Okay, so I'll click on the button. I'll click here. So this is the button. Again, I'll require two labels. So this one is first label. I will copy this. Okay, and again I'll paste this. Right click. After clicking on the right click button, you will get the so there are two labels. Okay, let me align those labels properly. Right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all these components. Right, so in order to select all the components, take your mouse cursor somewhere over here and then click the button, drag it, drag it, drag it. Okay, now all the components are selected. What you have to do here is you have to go to the font property. Okay, here is a font property. You can see here, this one is font property, and just in front of that Microsoft SANS. Okay, here you have to click on the three dots. Right, there are the three dots. You have to click over here So I'll click on the three dots, increase the font size, make it 12 or 14. Okay, 12 will be good. So I'll select 12, I'll select bold, right? And after that I'll select OK button. Fine, so the font size has been increased. Now what we have to do is we have to change the caption of all these components. Okay, the button, okay, let me increase the size of the button first. Okay, this is the new size. Okay, and I'm taking the button over here and I'm going to change the caption. So in order to change the caption, go to the text of the button. Okay, so button 1, you have to change it as answer, right? So answer is the name of the button or the label on the button. Now here label 1 we are going to change with equal to sign. Okay, so let me put equal to sign, right? And now let me take it somewhere over here. We'll keep a distance. So label 2 will be 0. First of all, it will be 0, and then what we are going to do is before, okay, let it be label 2 only. Let us give the text align as this one, that is middle and center, and then let us put 0. Okay, now it looks good. Okay, all right, so let us first debug this program and press build calculator. Now at the bottom you can see build succeed. It means there are no errors in this program. So what we will do here is we will click on debug and start debugging. This is just empty form. Okay, we will put the code over here. So let me click okay here, and then this combo box is empty. I will add the items here. I will show you how to add the items. Let me put 6 and let me click on answer. Nothing is happening because we have not done the coding. So let me close this, and now first of all let us add the items. Okay, in order to add the items in combo box, select the combo box first, and here you can see the small triangle. Okay, here you have to click. So let me click on this triangle, and now use the data bound items, unbound, and edit items. Here you have to click edit items, right? And here I am going to enter plus, enter minus, enter star. Star means multiplication, remember this, or let us put x. You will come to know that it is multiplication, and then slash. Slash means division. Okay, now click on OK button. The items has been added now. So let us save all. Let us save all. Calculator. Okay, save button. Whatever the location is, you have to just save, and then one more time let us debug. Okay, or execute directly this plus, minus, and multiplication, division. Yes, these operators are appearing now. We must include the coding on this answer button. Okay, so what you have to do, double click this answer button. So I have double clicked. Here we have to write the coding. Okay, so I will write the coding. Dim num1 adds num1 adds text1 dot text. Okay, it is equal to, okay, there is a mistake here. Dim num adds, you have to put single. Okay, and it is equal to what? It is equal to text1 dot text. What does it mean? It simply means, okay, here you need to write properly like this. Okay, what is the issue with designer? Okay, Okay, right. Actually, here we should write textbox1 dot text. Okay, textbox1 dot text, and here we should write dim. Dim means variable. Variable number 2. Second number will be as single. Single means you can enter the numbers with decimal points. Okay, textbox 2 dot text. Okay, now after that we will create a third variable, that is dim answer, answer as single. Okay, we are declaring only, we are not assigning the value. Now we will write the code. If Combobox1, okay, Combobox1, Combobox1 dot selected index is equal to 0, then what should happen? We should add the numbers. So answer is equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, and after that we will write label2 dot text is equal to answer. So very simple code. Let us execute this code first, and then we will see the next part. So build calculator, and one error is there. Statement cannot appear in a method body and assumed. Okay, class is opened, class is closed. Right. Okay, end sub we have to write, correct. Okay, no issues. So we will write end sub. Okay, so let me again save this. Again we have to debug, build calculator. So now 0 errors. You can see build succeed at the bottom. You can see this. So debug and start debugging. So this is your calculator. Let me put, this is only for addition. So 50. I will explain the code also. We are declaring two variables, num1 and num2. So num1 will be what? Num1 will be equal to the text which we enter in the text box 1, and we know that this is the text box 1. Okay, text box 1, and 50 is the text inside the text box 1. So 50 will be assigned to number 1. Again we will select plus, and here I will write 10, and I have written 10 in the text box 2. So this text box 2 text, okay, that means 10 in this case, will be assigned to num2. So in num1 there is 50, in num2 there is 10. Now dim answer is one variable we have taken, and here what we are writing here, combobox1 dot selected index is equal to 0. What does it mean? If we are selecting the first index of the combo box, so first index is always 0, remember this. So there are 4 indexes. At the 0th place plus is there, at first place minus is there, at third place star is there, means multiplication is there, and at the third place, okay, third place slash is there. So this is at level 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, we have selected plus, it is at index 0. So it means that when index 0 is selected, then in answer we are storing number 1 plus number 2. Number 1 is 50, number 2 is 10. 10 plus 50 is 60. So answer in 60 will be the number which will be stored in answer, and we are assigning that answer to label 2 dot text. So where is label 2? I'll show you. Label 2 is here. Okay, in VB form I'll show you. This is the label 2. The first label is equal to. We are not going to use this label at all. It is only to show that the answer equals to. Second label is 0. So here we are assigning 60. Now we will see in the form. So this is the form tab. Okay, output. We have to click on answer button. 60. Yeah, right. Now this is working perfect. So what we are going to do here is we will be copying this code. Okay, we will be copying this code and we will paste this for addition, for multiplication, division, etc. Okay, so else if combo box 2, okay, combo box 1 is 1 you have to write only, and selected index is 1. Okay, then what we are going to write plus, and then here second index is minus, and correct. So again after that you have to enter, right? Again write else if if, and again same code, just here you write down 2, and here you write down star, because at the third place means at the second index star is there, means multiplication is there. Again one more time, last one, you have to write this again, instead of 0 write down 3. Okay, and here you should write slash, and then this code is done. So save this. Okay, and okay, time is very less, I'm going to execute this first. Okay, save this all and debug, start debugging. There were errors. Okay, right. So what is end of the statement expected? End if, else, right, correct. Else, here you should write if. I forgot to write if. So else if you should write first there. Oh, now save this, and then item is saved. Build calculator. Build is succeed. No errors are there. You can see at the bottom. At the bottom you should see always build succeed. See this code. Okay, this entire code you have to write in the button. When you double click on the button, you should write this entire code. Okay, start writing from this. Okay, and stop writing here. Okay, so again let us debug. You can, okay, I'm going to type here 50.6, and here I will minus, okay, I'll subtract the number 30.6. So let us check the answer. It is 20, right? When you type 3, let us check the answer, 20.3. So it is working perfect. Let us put 30, and here also 20 I'm putting. So let us check multiplication. 30 multiplied by 20, 3 to the 6, and 2 zeros means 600. So it is working fine. So that's it for today's session. In case of any query, difficulty or doubt, feel free to ask me. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.